This past weekend, I got to go to California to Allen, the Assembly on Literature for Adolescents, which is a conference wherein you bring an empty suitcase because when you leave, you will have way more books than you can possibly imagine. So, this is actually unsuitcasing one of three, if you can believe that. And here's what I got. Out of the gate, we have representation, which is beautiful. This one was translated from French. I don't think I've read anything translated from French in a while. This one is ridiculously heavy, and I managed to get 3 copies of it, so I'm going to make English teachers very, very happy. Can we talk about this title for a second? Man-made monsters? Craziness. Jeff Zentner in the Wildlight won the Walden Award this year, and he's going to come and talk to us. I'm really excited in my book club. This one I had 2 copies of originally, but I gave one to a kid that I was sitting next to on the plane. That one is ridiculously good. I've read it already. And I managed to not know that Case and Calendar had a new book out. Where have I been? Trish is probably going to be excited about this one because she likes heists. Aiden Thomas is super, super cool. I got to talk to him for a while. This one is told weirdly, like from beginning to beginning. And this one we had to hunt for. How about black kids at a boarding school? What are we gonna do with that? And then Mason Beaver's new book is off for that. Are you a fan of Arthurian Legend? Because this one takes a really interesting take on it. This one, I met her. She's really super nice, and I was very excited to get that one. Can we talk about this cover for a second and the just creeptasticness of it? And I was excited to see that Bill had a new book. He's fantastic. And then this one is really interesting. I wasn't endeared toward the cover, but... And so thus endeth part 1. I've got another suitcase and a box to go.